The iPhone 18 Pro Max is not just another smartphone. It is the most advanced, most powerful, most desirable device ever created by Apple. Engineered to push the limits of what mobile technology can do, and as soon as you hold it in your hand, you realize this is not just an upgrade. It is a complete reimagining of the iPhone experience. Because Apple has gone beyond incremental improvements and delivered a device that is truly revolutionary, starting with its breathtaking display. A massive 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR Pro display that is brighter, sharper, and more immersive than anything you have ever seen on a smartphone, with colors that look like they are jumping off the screen, deep blacks that make every scene feel cinematic, and a level of clarity so detailed that once you use it, no other screen will ever feel good enough. And scrolling is unbelievably smooth thanks to Apple's latest promotion. Technology with a fully adaptive refresh rate that makes every swipe, or jumping into intense gaming sessions. And this display is protected by Apple's toughest glass ever, combined with a durable titanium frame that not only gives it a premium feel but also makes it stronger and lighter than any previous Pro Max model. So you get elegance without compromise, strength without bulk, and comfort that feels just right in your hand. And beneath that stunning glass lies the heart of the iPhone 18 Pro Max. The all-new A21 Bionic chip, which is the fastest chip Apple has ever made. With a performance that simply leaves competitors in the dust, combining incredible processing power with remarkable energy efficiency, allowing you to run multiple demanding apps at once, record and edit high-resolution videos, play console-level games, and handle advanced machine learning tasks without a hint of lag. And the A21 Bionic doesn't just make things faster. It makes everything smarter because it can anticipate your needs, optimize performance in real time, and deliver smooth responsiveness in every situation, turning what used to feel futuristic into something that feels effortless and natural on a daily basis. And with iOS 21 powering this device, you get an ecosystem that is more intuitive, more connected, and more personalized than ever, with intelligent features that adapt to your usage, seamless integration with all your Apple devices, and privacy. Protections designed to keep your data safe and secure, so you can enjoy the most advanced user experience on the planet without worrying about what's happening behind the scenes. And if there is one area where the iPhone 18 Pro Max truly changes the game, it is in photography and videography, because Apple has completely re-engineered the camera system to deliver results that rival professional gear, starting with a triple lens setup that includes a massive 48-megapixel main sensor that captures astonishing detail. It's an ultra-wide lens that expands your perspective to cinematic proportions, and a new periscope telephoto lens that brings distant subjects into sharp focus like never before, allowing you to capture breathtaking shots from far away without losing clarity. And the computational photography power behind these lenses is nothing short of magical, combining multiple frames, advanced depth mapping, and intelligent algorithms to produce images that are stunningly rich in color, incredibly crisp in detail, and beautifully balanced in every lighting situation. Whether you are snapping a quick shot in bright sunlight or capturing a low-light scene at night, and night mode has been dramatically improved so that even the darkest environments are filled with clarity, depth, and color that you might never have thought possible from a smartphone camera. Plus, with features like Smart HDR6, Deep Fusion, and Photonic Engine enhancements, your photos will look so good that friends and family will think you used a professional camera. And videos are even more extraordinary because the iPhone 18 Pro Max records in up to 8,000 resolution, capturing every moment with breathtaking fidelity. And with features like cinematic mode, action mode, and advanced stabilization, your footage looks cinematic, smooth, and professional without any extra equipment, turning casual recordings into unforgettable memories. And creators will love the expanded ProRes capabilities that give you even more control over color grading and post-production, making this device a true powerhouse for filmmakers, vloggers, and content creators who demand the best from their tools. And Apple has also redefined what it means to be connected with the iPhone 18 Pro Max by introducing next-generation 6G connectivity, which delivers blazing fast download and upload speeds. It's unprecedented low latency and and a level of responsiveness that makes lag a thing of the past, whether you are streaming ultra-high-definition video, joining video calls with crystal-clear quality, and if you love to customize your setup, there are endless options that make your phone uniquely yours. From rugged protective gear to sleek aesthetic enhancements, all without compromising functionality. And Apple hasn't stopped innovating when it comes to audio either. Because the iPhone 18 Pro Max introduces spatial audio with dynamic head tracking that makes music, movies, and games feel immersive and alive. With sound that moves around you as if you were in a theater, and adaptive audio tuning that adjusts based on your environment so that whether you are on a busy street or in a quiet room, your sound experience is always optimized to perfection. And for gamers, the combination of the powerful A21 chip, advanced cooling systems, and promotion display means graphics run smoother, frame rates stay higher, and input lag is reduced to near zero, giving you competitive advantage in every match and making mobile gaming feel more exhilarating than ever. While developers are already creating titles that leverage this hardware in ways that were impossible before, pushing the boundaries of what mobile games can be, and this device doesn't just excel in performance, it also leads in durability with industry-leading water and dust resistance. A ceramic shield front that is tougher than most smartphone, glass, and a titanium frame that resists bends, drops, and scratches, delivering peace of mind that your investment is protected in everyday life, and Apple's commitment to sustainability is stronger than ever. With recycled materials, energy-efficient manufacturing, and a carbon-neutral production process that makes this phone not only powerful and beautiful, but more environmentally responsible, showing that cutting-edge technology and conscious design can coexist in harmony. And for health and wellness, the iPhone 18 Pro Max introduces enhanced sensors that work with the Health app to track your heart rate, oxygen levels, sleep patterns, stress levels, and more, giving you actionable insights to help you live healthier. While fitness integrations and personalized coaching features make reaching your goals more motivating and more achievable, and when you combine all of this with seamless compatibility across the Apple ecosystem, including iPads, Macs, Apple Watches, and AirPods, you get a unified experience where everything works together effortlessly. From sharing files in an instant with AirDrop, to picking up messages on any device, to unlocking your Mac with your iPhone, creating a level of convenience that once you experience it, you never want to live without, and with Siri powered by on-device intelligence. Voice commands are faster, more accurate, and more contextually aware, helping you send messages, set reminders, control smart home devices, get information, and much more without ever lifting a finger, making the iPhone 18 Pro Max not just a tool, but a companion that makes your life easier, faster, and more connected. And as you explore everything this phone has to offer, from the stunning design and astonishing performance to the groundbreaking camera, advanced connectivity, intelligent battery, robust privacy protections, and seamless ecosystem integration, it becomes clear that the iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just the best iPhone ever made. It is one of the most significant leaps forward in smartphone history. Device that redefines what we expect from mobile technology and sets a new standard for the entire industry. A phone that doesn't just keep up with your life, but enhances every part of it, shaping the way you communicate, create work, play, and connect with the world around you. And for anyone who demands the absolute best in performance innovation, design, and experience, the iPhone 18 Pro Max stands alone at the top. Ready to transform the way you live and bringing the future into the palm of your hand?